Hi, for this recording, I will show you how to do 2009 Semester 2 MSc paper question 2A. In this question, we are given A is equal to I, B equal to I plus 3j, and C equal to I plus j plus k. Part A of the question is find a vector perpendicular to both A and B. Now, how do I find this? Do this? This is actually a question regarding cross product. You can refer to Howard Anton, chapter 12, section 4, which says that, look at this part, it says the geometrical property of a cross product. It says that if you have two vectors, u and v, alright, then what happened to u cross v? You say that u dot u cross v is equal to 0, which means that u cross v is orthogonal to u. That means u cross v is perpendicular to u. And also v dot u cross v equal to 0, which means that u cross v is orthogonal to v, or u cross v is perpendicular to v. That means that u cross v is perpendicular to both u and v. Having known that, then we can answer part A of the question. So given A is 2i, B is I plus 3j. Find a vector perpendicular to both A cross B. So the easiest way out is answer is A cross B. Now, how do I find A cross B? You can refer to Howard Anton again. In Howard Anton, in the earlier part of Howard Anton, it says that in order to find U cross V, what you do is you can look at a 3 by 3 determinant. Suppose U is U1, U2, U3, V is V1, V2, V3, then U cross V will be a determinant given by I, J, K, and U1, U2, U3 in the second row, and V1, V2, V3 in the third row. Using this result, then I know how to find A cross B. So A cross B will be equal to determinant I, J, K, and A is equal to 2i. So 2i, no j, no k, 0j, 0k. And B equal to I plus 3j. That means this is B is 1i plus 3j and no k. Now to find this answer, you can using the expansion. So I use the select the third column to expand, which will give me this is equal to k multiplied by determinant of 2, 0, 1, 3. After strike out the first row and third column, and this is equal to 6k. 2 times 3 minus 0, 6k. So that means that A cross B equals 6k. A vector perpendicular to both A and B is now 6k, or minus 6k also possible. This is in the opposite direction. So you pick any one of them. And in fact, you don't need to have 6k or minus 6k. K will do. Alright? Or k alone will do. Alright? K is perpendicular to both A and B now. Because any multiple of 6k, including k now, will be perpendicular to both A and B now. That will finish part A of the question.